2, 3. Bilangin natin ang problema sa basura ng mundo. 1 million plastic bags ang ginagamit natin kada minuto. 2 2.7 million tons ng plastic waste ang galing sa Pilipinas taon-taon. Katumbas ito ng higit 6 million kilograms ng basura araw-araw. 3 third largest plastic waste producer ang Pilipinas sa buong mundo. Kasunod ang China at Indonesia. 4 plastic bottles kasama ng 115 plastic cups at 25 plastic bags ang nakita sa loob ng bituka ng patay na sperm whale na natagpuan sa Indonesia. At sa Pilipinas, yan din ang sinapit ng whale shark na puro basurang plastic ang natagpuan sa tiyan. 5% na ng mga plastic ang nare-recycle natin. Dahil yan sa hindi wastong pagtapon o paghiwalay ng mga nabubulok at di nabubulok na basura at pagtatambak lang nito kung saan-saan. Pag nagpatuloy pa ito, ayon sa UN report, posibleng maging mas marami pa ang basura kaysa sa mga isda pagpatak ng taong 2050.
The waste humans generate has been detrimental to our environment for quite some time now. Humans are generating too much trash and cannot deal with it in a sustainable way. Waste that is not biodegradable and cannot be properly recycled is filling our oceans and landfills. Improper waste disposal on any scale can create environmental problems, health problems, and even economic concerns. And now, before getting to worse, we need to work together and help reduce the production of waste. It's pretty simple this way. Our waste should be segregated into 4 categories: biodegradable, residuals, recyclable, and hazardous waste. A clean environment is essential for healthy living. The more we don't care about the environment, the more it will become polluted.
In the heart of Dumaguete City, life is busy and vibrant. But behind the beauty of the boulevard and the warmth of the people lies a growing problem: the waste management.
Sure ka, dili na dyan ni nato ilabay? Kaya na oy, nabitang punit, anak.
Muna lang imon, pero lang tawa tong kalsada baling daghan ng basura.
Oh no! I thought Dumaguete was the city of gentle people. What happened to the cleanliness? Maujud ni sige na to kakalimtan. Gani, nalimtan na nato ang disiplina, di ba? Mugali, bisag asa na lang ilabay ang basura niya. Wala ta kabalo, asa pud na ginabutang.
Every morning, we collect tons of garbage, and it will never end. We cannot do this alone.
Morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, so are you guys ready for our new discussion? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so today we will be discussing about waste management in Dumaguete City. Okay, so who can tell me what is waste management or waste segregation? Miss Zuniega.
It's ma'am, it's biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recycle waste, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Zuniega. Okay, so what Ms. Zuniega shared about waste segregation, what is its importance? Ms. Abelio?
Because it makes our waste, it's hard to recycle, and it can also cause pollution and can attract pests and can cause clogging our canals.
Thank you, Ms. Abelio. Okay, so isa pa may makadugang ato. Hey, Ms. Bolaño.
Ma'am, I always see people throw trash even there is a dinner.
So that is the main concern in our community these days because we know nga we are a very grabe kitang consume. Sige, palit, pero ito kadulungan siya itong mga basura. So in order for us to change that kind of habit, we must start doing the right thing. So what could be the right thing that we should do? Miss Hilda.
So, una yun ma'am is, dapat yun mo kung kagalingan yung sa una din, dapat po dito na kayo mga karang mga trash. Example is mga plastic, dapat po di mo siya ilutan sa asin siya, dapat ilutan like, di waste kayo. Muna yung una nga mga kanang problem with mga cause of problem.
Thank you, Miss Hilda, and that is correct. So, the change starts with us. Okay, so dapat atong ibutan sa unang-una nga basura ko, ibulsa ko. Basura ko, responsibilidad ko. Okay? Thank you, guys.
Good day, Mayor.
Good day. Sa malay mo po yun.
Ay, amo ang concern, Ma'am Good, is amo ang community ga-struggle ka sa basura. Kaya ang mga tao, dili mo sunod sa garbage schedule, bakit mo sunod pag
Hello, Miss Lirazan. Come to my office. Okay, thank you. Anong inyong concern? Ato lang taga-action. The city already has a solid waste management ordinance. But kailangan dyan po na ang coordination. Let's strengthen the information drive about the waste segregation.
Yes, Mayor. Pwede na maka-organize mga cleanup drives, mga workshops, or even mga eco-friendly causes sa barangay, or even sa atong mga school.
O kung pwede mahigumagani kung padulangan o mga basurahan ang other places, especially sa boulevard o sa market.
Yes, that is a great suggestion. Now, let's make this Dumaguete, the city of gentle people, model of eco-friendly and eco-discipline. Together, kita tanan, we can make a difference.
Today, in Dumaguete City, volunteers, students, and officials join forces for the Basura Mo Responsibilidad Ko campaign. It's a citywide movement to promote proper waste disposal.
Waste management is not the government's job alone. It's everyone's responsibility. When we care for our environment, we care for our future.
Let's make Dumaguete shine again. Clean, green, and serene.
Basura ko, responsibilidad ko. Clean Dumaguete, start with us.
Dong ay si Dong Ilay, insali-sali tumay. Dong ay si Dong Ilay, insali-sali tumay. Alamat, handa, marami ang nangangamba, tayo pa rin ba ang pag-asa? pinsali sa